is? Juliet, tell me something about Frank Bell.
He is a good man.
Why is he a good man?
Because he creates beds.
Yes, but what up?
During World War II, he has built this college to learn English to people all around the world.
Yeah. Max.
During World War II, he was in prison. There were people from different countries, and he learned them English. And that he thought that it would be good that if all people from different countries can speak English.
Super. Okay. So, Frank Bell was a prisoner of war. You are right. Prisoner who was in a prisoner of war camp. He was with people that couldn't speak the same language. So I can speak English. You can speak Italian. Some of you can speak German. Some of you can speak French. Sometimes we might not be able to talk to each other because we speak different languages. Frank Bell wanted to be friends with the people that he was at the prisoner of war camp with. And he was a very good teacher of English. And he thought, I'll teach them English so that we can be friends. But they weren't allowed to learn English. You are very lucky. You can come here and you can learn English and you can tell anyone. Frank and his friends at the camp had to do it at night time. If anybody found them, they would have been in big trouble. They weren't allowed to use pens and paper. They had to use wrappers and carve it into the soap. They were very, very secretive. He taught them English, and then he went on when he came out of the war camp and came back to England. He built a school in Cambridge. One tiny little school. Years later, 20, 30, 40, 50 years later, he has built lots of schools so that people like you can come and learn English. So we love Frank. Because if he didn't do it in secret, with the risk of getting in trouble, you guys would not be here. So we love Frank. All right.